Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will teach you how to archive the chat on your WhatsApp. For this, simply go to your WhatsApp. Select the desired chat to archive. Long press it. Now click on this icon. Your selected chat will be archived. Click on Archived. Let me show you the hidden chat. See, your archived chat will appear here. Now, you will not receive any notification on this chat. Go to the three-dotted icon at the top right side of your screen. Your archived settings will be appeared here. Go back and long press this archive chat. Click on that icon again. See, your chat has been restored again. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to get more useful information like this.